Aloha! You are about to view a drone video of my studio condo at the Whaler on Kaanapali Beach, Maui, a premier oceanfront resort right in the center of Kaanapali Beach. As you drive down Kaanapali Parkway, you'll pass Whalers Village. Then next up on your left, you'll find the entrance to the Whaler, and you have arrived at paradise. Kaanapali Parkway will also take you to the other major hotels, including the Hyatt, the Marriott, the Westin, and the Sheraton. You can also bicycle along this scenic street, or walk across the street to this beautifully manicured golf course. It's the Royal Kaanapali Golf Course, and also located on this golf course is the famous Roy's, a high-end restaurant serving Hawaiian fusion food. The Whaler has captivating views of the aqua blue Pacific Ocean. And do you see those two tennis courts? Those also belong to the resort and are there for your fun and exercise. Within walking distance from your apartment is Black Rock, a lava formation famous for some of the most amazing snorkeling in the world. Keep an eye out for sea turtles, parrotfish, and even a moray eel living in the lava. At the end of your fantastic day of snorkeling at Black Rock, it's just a short walk home. Oh, and speaking of home, here it is. You'll be on the ground floor, on your lanai, with table and chairs to enjoy the views along with your morning coffee. The lanai opens up to a lush green belt of tropical landscape. Just walk along the grass in front of your apartment towards the beach. There, you'll see the islands of Lanai on the left and Molokai on the right, off on the horizon. Have you ever seen a more beautiful blue ocean or luxurious tropical green landscape? Once there, you'll have the difficult choice of whether to go to the beach or the pool. Or maybe just don't choose and enjoy them both. Or take a stroll through the courtyard gardens. But while enjoying the beach or the pool and jacuzzi, don't forget to look Mauka side, that's Hawaiian for towards the mountains, for some of the most spectacular rainbows you will ever see. At the end of each day, Mother Nature puts on a magnificent show for you each night at sunset, each one a masterpiece and completely different and more beautiful than the last. What a wonderful place to relax and enjoy your evening cocktails. For more information on Unit 114 at the Whaler, please contact the owner by sending an email to rentacondo@aol.com or by calling the landline at 310-939-7709. Mahalo for watching.